Good afternoon. Before being confirmed as the director of OMB, Russell Vought said that he wanted to traumatize the federal workforce. He said he wanted them to be viewed as the villain. He has traumatized the federal workforce. I know because I've received texts from federal workers that say, "Help us." I know because a woman who worked for the VA for years in Texas got a promotion, moved to Virginia to be an IT specialist, was fired, and found out when she showed up for work and couldn't log into her computer. And who are the people that the Trump administration is villainizing and traumatizing? They're the people that make sure our air travel is safe. They're the people who make sure that our water is drinkable and that our food is edible. They're the people that provide health care to our veterans. They're the people who make sure that every child gets the services they need to succeed in school. And when their civil rights are violated, particularly our students with disabilities, they stand up for them and protect them. Now, the Trump administration says, well, many of these jobs can be done by the states. They can't. And in a state like Virginia, that has over 300,000 federal workers who pay taxes into the Virginia economy, who purchase goods and services, putting money into the Virginia economy. And many of them have already filed for unemployment in Virginia. Many of them will not be contributing to the Virginia economy. And the Commonwealth of Virginia cannot absorb these workers. Nor should a nuclear scientist have to go to a website to find a job stacking warehouse shelves. And when you think of this in the context of all of the other cuts that you've heard today, particularly Medicaid, how are the states going to be able to absorb these workers and services when a hole is going to be blown in their budget because of the cuts to Medicaid? A state like Virginia, all of the states are going to be hurt, but particularly Virginia and Texas and Maryland and California and Washington and Colorado are going to be devastated. We, the New Dem coalition and the House Democrats, will not abandon our federal workers. For many of them, like my grandfather, the path to the middle class came through the federal workforce. We will not abandon them because they will never abandon us. Thank you all.